Dipesh Dinesh Pradhan. I'm a student of GP Rating from Sri Chakra Maritime College, Pondicherry. On the occasion of World Maritime Day 2024, I would like to share my thoughts on this year's theme. The theme is Navigating the Future, Safety First. My first topic is Enhanced Navigation System. Modern shipping relies on advanced navigation system such as APIP, ECDIS, AIS, GPS. Such tools enhance situational awareness, allowing the vessels to know their positions and surroundings accurately, providing them real-time data of other ships, weather condition, potential hazards, and this helps to prevent the collisions, grounding, and significantly improving safety at sea. Topic is crew training and competency. Investing in regular training program for new crew members is vital of promoting a culture of safety. Training operational procedure and emergency responses, but also they should learn how to use the new technologies. Simulations and drills provides helps to new crew members to practice their response to various scenarios, ensuring they are well prepared to handle all the situations and emergencies while the operations.
Hello, myself Samudram, student of GP Rating from Sri Chakra Maritime College. On the occasion of World Maritime Day 2024, I would like to put forward my thought about the year theme. The theme is Navigating the Future, Safety First. I would like to speak about 2 points regarding the theme. My first topic is cyber safety measures. As shipping becomes internationally digital, the importance of cyber security cannot be overstated. Vessels are vulnerable to cyber attack that cannot disrupt navigation system and compromise safety. Implementing cybersecurity protocol, which are fire weather safety measures, crew training on recognizing cyber threat is essential to protect shipping equipment by cyber incidents. My second topic is cargo safety procedure. Encouraging the safe handling and storage of cargo is essential for preventing accidents during transport. This includes best practices for securing cargo, understanding the specific hazards associated with different materials, and providing adequate training for crew members within cargo operations. The prioritizing cargo safety shipping consequences can minimize risk associated with cargo shifts, spills, and explosives. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Yogesh Kadia and I am a student of GP Rating from Sri Chakra Maritime College, Pondicherry. On the occasion of World Maritime Day 2024, I would like to put forward my thoughts on this year theme. The theme is Navigating Future and Safety First. I want to tell some points on this theme. My first point is advanced navigation technology. The shipping industry is increasingly relying on advanced navigation technology to enhance safety at sea. Tools like GPS radar and electric chart display information system improve route planning and situational awareness. This technology helps vessels avoid hazardous areas, ensure safer passage through the busy shipping lanes, and unpredictable weather conditions. Moreover, autonomous vessels are on horizon, promising to reduce human error, a significant factor in maritime accidents. My another topic is comprehensive risk assessment. Conducting thorough risk assessment is initial for identifying potential hazard in shipping operations. This includes evaluating factors such as cargo type, weather condition, and crew experience. By proactively identifying risk, shipping companies can implement tailored safety measures such as enhanced training program for crew members and adjust the shipping routes and minimize the incident and accidents. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Manish Suvarna and I am the student of GP Rating from Sri Chakra Maritime College, Pondicherry. On this day of World Maritime Day 2024, I would like to put forward my thoughts on this year's theme. The theme is Navigating the Future and Safety First. I would like to speak 2 points about this theme. The first topic is Risk Management Framework. Establishing comprehensive risk management framework is very essential to identify potential risk in the shipping industries. This involves regular risk assessments like vessel cargo, vessel type, vessel routes, and environmental conditions. By implementing risk management, the shipping companies can reduce a maximum accidents and a safer voyage. Every shipping company must implement risk mitigating strategies such as route planning and contingency measures.
My name is Sahil Kumar. I am the student of GP Rating in Sri Chakra Maritime College, Pondicherry. On the occasion of World Maritime Day 2024, I would like to put forward my thoughts about this year theme. The theme is Navigating the Future, Safety First. I would like to speak about 2 points regarding this theme. My first topic is maintaining and inspection protocols. Regular maintenance and inspection of vessel and equipments are crucial for preventing failure that could lead to the accident. Implementing strict maintenance schedule and protocol ensure that all machinery, navigation systems, and safety equipments are in optimized working condition. This protocol ensure these proactivities approach minimize the risks of equipment-related incidents, safety guards both the crew and the environment. And my second topic is environment complaints. Adhere to international environment regulations such as MARPOL. It is essential for maintaining safety and sustainability shipping. This regulation governs waste management, pollution preventing, and the use of eco-friendly technologies. By ensuring compliance, shipping companies not only protect marine ecosystem but also reduce the risks of costly incidents relating to environmental damage. Thank you.
Today we gather to celebrate World Maritime Day, a day to recognize the vital role shipping plays in our global economic and the hard-working individual who made it possible. This here theme, navigating the future, safety first. Safety is a bedrock of our industry and it's our collective responsibility to ensure the well-being of our seafarers, passengers and cargo. Thank you.
On the occasion of the World Maritime Day, I would like to put forth my views and a bit. World Maritime Day is celebrated to raise awareness about the importance of the maritime industry in global trade, economic development and environmental sustainability. The purpose of the day is to highlight the critical role that shipping plays in connecting nations and facilitating international commerce. This year's theme is Navigating the Future, Safety First. Under that, celebrating this day serves several key purposes. Awareness. It educates the public and stakeholders about the maritime industry's contribution and challenges. Sustainability. It promises and promotes discussions on sustainable practices and the responsible use of marine resources to protect ocean ecosystem. Recognitions. It acknowledges the hard work of seafarers and maritime professionals who ensure the safe and efficient movement of goods. Collaboration. It encourages partnerships among governments, organizations and the private sector to address common challenges. Innovation. It fosters dialogues on technological advancements and innovations that can improve maritime safety efficiency. By celebrating World Maritime Day, we emphasize the need for safe, secure and sustainable maritime environment that benefits each and everyone. Thank you.